Hi, welcome to Hope This Works. We're on our way the Friday morning before the blizzard hits to get some necessary supplies.
It's Black Friday, though. Are we going to Walmart?
No.
Are we going to Home Depot?
No.
Billy Joe, you do some Black Friday shopping?
No, I got some books and a Christmas movie.
That's funny. Where are we off to next?
We gotta go to the grocery store.
Just necessities. Preparing for the upcoming blizzard. Dog food. Frozen pizzas. Toilet paper. And ice cream. So we are getting a blizzard, freezing rain right now, and it's supposed to switch over to snow and then heavy snow tonight. Tomorrow and overnight tonight is supposed to be 50 plus mile-an-hour winds out of the north. This might be another snowmageddon. I went out to get the mail and we received a couple things. Billy Joe got a letter in the mail from one of our subscribers, Sherry. Thank you so much. It was a recipe for corn stuffing, I believe. And she included a sticker. So I quickly grabbed it and says, that's going on the sticker wall. Sharing is caring, and Billy Joe doesn't have a sticker wall, so my Michigan sticker is going on the sticker wall for making sawdust. You know how I like Michigan. Right up there in the middle. Hopefully it's relatively even, lined up. Doing this from the side, guys. Thanks again, Sherry. We are just going to hibernate for the next couple days. I have the shovels shined up. Hopefully I don't get snowed into the shop and can't get to the house. But it's only a very short walk from the house to the shop or back and forth. We have tons of leftovers to eat. How many pies did you make?
Not as many as I was gonna. I ended up with 7.
What kind you got?
I got 2 pumpkins. I got blueberry crumble, cherry crumble, and 3 sweet potato cheesecake that I learned from Tammy at Color Valley Cooks.
Wow, we have more pies than we have people at the Thanksgiving dinner.
I know, but you know what? When I started this, I was thinking, boy, I wanted some cherry and some apple and some pumpkin and some pecan and some cream pie. So you get your chocolate cream pie, your banana cream pie, and your coconut cream pie, and your lemon meringue. So I peeled way back, but I still ended up with 7 pies. So
I love pie.
there are worse things, yeah.
And a couple movies to watch. So again, we're going to hibernate for the next couple days. Hopefully she can get out on Monday, but that we don't have to plow the driveway. All I have to do is keep the sidewalks clear and the path from the shop to the house. So we should be all good, guys. We will keep you updated. I have another video coming out tomorrow on the kitchen. It is not a kitchen organization project. It is a kitchen, let's say, upgrade. So look forward to that. I'm going to edit that right after I upload this video. And thank you for joining Hope This Works channel, all about inspiration, education, motivation, creating curiosity, and most likely building snowmen. As always, hope this works.